everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the Fortune Cookie Soap unboxing for August 2018. Before we jump in, you know the drill. If you're new, hello and welcome. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Ring the notifications to be notified for future video. Likes and comments are always appreciated. And now, let's jump in. I really am enjoying how Fortune Cookie Soap started like repackaging like their monthly subscriptions. This box is so cute and I'm living for the color. It's just really cute instead of just receiving a USPS box. Loving it. And it says, we didn't choose the soap life chose us. How cute is that? I'm gonna probably cut that out and put it in my bathroom. I have 4 in this house, so we need some decorations. The Goblin King is this month's theme. I don't know who the Goblin King is. It sounds like Halloweenish. Let me know if you know who that is. Ooh, okay. So this is what the inside looks like. Yes. Okay, so the first product, we have the Cutest Monster Face Ever Charcoal Facial Cleanser. I love charcoal cleansers. Charcoal really gets the gunk out, and especially if you have like a Clarisonic or any other brush, in combination with a charcoal cleanser, oh my gosh, your blackheads will be yanked out, your pores will feel really good, your face will thank you. Really excited to try Fortune Cookie Soap Cutest Monster Face Ever Cleanser. I don't always use charcoal cleansers. What am I using right now? I'm using Ole Henriksen's Vitamin C Foam Clinique. I started using Elemis, so I kind of rotate kind of depending on what my face is feeling. Now actually some Mira, just because I'm breaking out a little bit. I'm gonna see how this works. Maybe try it in the AM or the PM. I don't know if it smells good, if there's made a mess there, but not really much of a scent. The next product is You Have No Power Over Me Shimmery Body Wash. Okay, I'm not really a big fan of shimmery body wash. I don't want to look like Edward Cullen coming out of the shower. I guess, you know, for winter, you just want to glow. I mean, it's cute, you know, I can't be upset. Still not much of a, actually, it smells like erasers. I don't know, don't judge me. You know, when I lather it up, I'll have more of a scent. Right now, I just can't smell much. I don't know if it's just me or if it's the body wash. If you have this, let me know what you think it smells like. I think this will be fun for Griffin to use because he's really pale and he'll just shine bright like a diamond. Literally. The next product is the Chili Down Cooling Aloe Me Whipped Cream. How to use. Scoop a bit and pop it in the fridge. What? Okay, I don't know. It says scoop it, pop it in the fridge for an extra cool treat. So maybe if I was sunburned, perhaps I'll take this with me to Kauai in October in case if I get burnt because it's cooling and there's aloe in it. We'll see. I'm assuming it's gonna be hydrating with the whipped cream in the past with those products. So it's kind of a cool product when you combine aloe and lotion into one, especially like if your skin is peeling, you know how that goes, so. Okay, the fourth product is Voodoo Hoodoo Room Spray. All right. Oh, that smells really good. I like this. It has like a very, I don't know, fall scent actually. Really, I'm just gonna start spraying this randomly like throughout the day. I don't know what room I'm gonna keep it in, or I'm just gonna carry it with me throughout the house. It smells, it has a very masculine scent to it, like a men's cologne. I really like it. That's like I think that's like my favorite product so far. The next product is, woo, plastic wrap. I'm kidding. There's something inside. It is Crystal Infused Perfume Oil. I really like these because I know with like perfume, you're supposed to put it like on your wrists and it will last a lot throughout the day. Ooh, I got like makeup on my hand. Hot mess. Okay, this, ooh, I don't know if I like it. It has like a very candy scent to it. It smells like if I was buying perfume from Claire's. It's very sweet. I think it's more of like a sweet scent that I would not really go toward. Even though I love vanilla, because you're gonna be like, all right, you're a hypocrite, but like vanilla to me is like a little bit different sweet compared to this. This is very like, you know, the scents that are like cinnamony and apple, like that kind of sweet. Maybe once like fall comes around, it'll be like a little bit better. I don't know. Right now, I'm still on the fence. I don't completely hate it, but I don't completely love it. I'm just like chilling on the fence, rocking back and forth, thinking, do I like this or not? 2 products left. This one is the Dog of Eternal Stench. Lovely. I should just give this to Catherine. Oh, as I shove it in my face. All right, it is deodorant. So sweet. I'm running out of deodorant right now, actually. And it doesn't smell bad. It looked like it was like exfoliating a little bit. It has like an almond scent to it. And then the last product is Fireys Volumizing Shampoo. I don't need volume. I'm gonna end up looking like Simba. I already look like Simba when I come out of the shower. Even more now with volumizing. And that's what it looks like. It's very liquidy and it smells good. It has like another masculine scent to it. Maybe I'll give it to Griffin. Griffin cut his hair a couple months ago and maybe he's missing his long hair. So this will give him some volume that he's missing and we will go from there. So this box, I don't love it. I don't hate it. I like it a lot. That's where I'm at. I think the Voodoo room spray is definitely my favorite. If this comes through, this will be a next favorite. The deodorant wasn't bad. Really intrigued by the Aloe whipped product. The oil was probably my least favorite just because it's not a scent that I completely love. These two products are just kind of eh. These color got for Griffin, you know, pale and need volume. So this was the August 2018 Fortune Cookie Soap Box. I hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Fortune Cookie Soap or if you like unboxings. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video and see you then.